vehicle that matches the description. Closing fast on a vehicle that matches the description.
Unit heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported southbound on Highway 99.
Try to get in front of this guy, slow him down.
Unit heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported southbound on Highway 99.
I believe it was called on channel 1.
Along Marina,
Unit heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported south. 7-9 Adam, Central DCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to CP at 127th and Adelaide. Barricade situation.
backwards away from the officers.
I believe it was called on channel 1.
7-9 Adam, this is Central DCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to CP at 127th and Adelaide. Barricade situation.
Able to learn the shopping center at the Pita Pit. Looks like he might have just pulled out the knife. Now he's walking backwards.
You wish to tell nobody's ordered, would you?
Suspect is wanted on multiple homicide and conspiracy charges. Suspect is a potential serial offender, likely to have a hostage victim inside. Suspect is believed to be mentally unstable.
Okay, 203.
He's got a knife to a male's neck, south curb line of Friars, just east.
All units go to condition 2.
fired. Shots fired on priors. Again, shots fired on priors.
All units go to condition 2. Adam Young, 1955. Okay.
This is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to CP at 127th and Adelaide. Barricade situation.
Any other car stopped at 10th and clear. By there first. Okay, we have 42 out there. They have running my I believe it was called on channel 1.